Hello, welcome to the World News Journal. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Dassault Rafale versus Chengdu J-20 could be a likely possibility, as the Indian Air Force could encounter the Chinese Air Force near the line of actual control. The Indian Air Force will soon be equipped with state-of-the-art Rafale fighter jets, which will be stationed at Hasimara Air Base, while China already has fifth-generation Chengdu J-20 jets. The Rafale fighter jets and Su-30 MKI can compete against Chinese J-20 or J-10 fighter jets. The Indian Air Force officers in Hashimara have written to the Defense Ministry seeking clearance to relay the runway and build a hangar out to accommodate both Su-30 MKI and Dassault Rafale fighter jets. The Su-30 MKI is the most advanced fighter jets in the Indian Armory, who will now be complemented by the highly controversial but competent Rafale fighter jets. So, what will happen when Chengdu J-20, the fifth generation fighter jet, comes face to face with Rafale jets? Chengdu J-20 specifications. It is a single-seat, multi-role stealth fighter for air-to-air, air-to-ground combat roles, with supersonic cruise speed and integrated avionics, which was test-flown for the first time on January 11, 2011. The jet, developed and manufactured by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, is 20.3 to 20.5 meters long, has a height of 4.5 meters, and its wingspan is 12.88 to 13.50 meters. The maximum takeoff weight is 34,000 to 37,000 kg. The fighter's range is about 1200 kilometers, which can be increased up to 2700 kilometers with external fuel tanks. While the J-20 is currently powered by the Russian AL-31 engines, China is working on a new and more powerful WS-15 afterburning turbofan engine for the fighter for sustained supersonic speed. The aircraft can fly at a maximum speed of 2,100 km per hour, and its climbing rate is 304 meters per second. There are two lateral bays with 4 hardpoints each for air-to-air missiles, while the fuselage has a larger bay under it for carrying missiles and other weapons. It also has an internal cannon. It is equipped with an AESA radar along with a chin-mounted infrared electro-optic search and track sensor. The Chinese also claim that the J-20 has a passive electro-optical detection system, which gives the pilot 360-degree coverage. The fighter, which has a glass cockpit with a bubble-shaped canopy, can access real-time data from Chinese military satellites, Divine Eagle anti-stealth unmanned aerial vehicles, and other airborne early warning and control systems. The J-20 cockpit has 2 liquid crystals displayed and a head-up display. The J-20 can be operated through the traditional hands-on throttle and stick system. Dassault Rafale specifications. The Dassault Rafale is a French twin-engine Canard Delta wing, multi-role fighter aircraft equipped with a wide range of weapons. The Rafale is intended to perform air supremacy, interdiction, aerial reconnaissance, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike, and nuclear deterrence missions. The Rafale is fitted with 2 Snecma M88 engines, each capable of providing up to 50 kN of dry thrust and 75 kN with afterburners. The M88 enables the Rafale to supercruise while carrying 4 missiles and 1 drop tank. Although not really a stealth aircraft, the Rafale was designed for a reduced radar cross-section and infrared signature, which means it has some stealth features which have neither been exaggerated neither been overhyped. The Rafale core avionics systems employ integrated modular avionics, called MDPU. The total value of the radar, electronic communications, and self-protection equipment is about 30% of the cost of the entire aircraft, which is noteworthy. The Rafale features an integrated defensive aid system called Spectra, which protects the aircraft against airborne and ground threats. Various methods of detection, jamming, and decoying have been designed to be highly reprogrammable for addressing new threats. Thanks for watching. For more new updates, please subscribe to the World News Journal.